Okay, so today we'll see the Karakas for childbirth. Okay, so what are the important planets responsible for childbirth? Everything we will see, and how to time the childbirth, when to time the childbirth, and what are the problems, and what remedies can be undertaken. Everything I will discuss. The Karaka for childbirth is Jupiter. This Jupiter is also Jiva for a male, that is a one factor, and it is also Karaka for children's. Right. And just like Mars, we told two qualities. One, it is a Karaka for marital happiness in both male and female. Similarly, it is a Karaka for husband in female chart. Sun will indicate the male children's. Moon or Venus will indicate the female children's. Okay. Whenever there is a connection between Sun and Jupiter, okay, unafflicted. Okay. So going further, I will not say this word unafflicted. So you have to understand whenever I say strong connection, they are unafflicted. Then we can say 100% in that family there is a male child. And when we go for this combination of Venus plus Jupiter, we can say there is definitely a female child. Okay. Now, male planets like Mars and Mercury joining the male planets. Mercury plus male planets. These and all are also responsible for male children's. And Moon and Mercury conjoining female planets. These are also responsible for female children's. Okay. Whenever this Venus and Sun, when they both are conjoined with Saturn, then we can say there is a delay in childbirth. Venus is the Karaka from sperm or ovum, and Sun is the Karaka for life in that sperm or ovum, and is also the natural owner of fifth house from KPC Kalapusha chart, and Saturn is the Karaka for delay. So Sun plus Venus plus Saturn, one combination. Sun plus Venus plus Saturn. This is more devastating. Understand? This is like a bike is going, okay, fast moving planets, and here the Saturn, the Karaka for dullness, and Saturn is also a unique planet, important planet, This is, let us assume, a lorry. Okay, this is not allowing it, but sometime over a period of time, somewhere when it gets gap, there is a possibility this can overtake and go, right? But otherwise, it's like the speed of this is stopped by this big vehicle. Okay, but there are some chances remediable. Okay, with remedy we can overcome this one. Now imagine you are going in this road, suddenly this truck is coming in opposite direction, then the collision is very high. Okay, this is what is difficult to remediate. Okay, of course we can confirm with the more methods whenever we come across combinations like this. Before giving confirmation, I'll tell you the confirmatory methods also after the break. Okay, so this you remember. And if Rahu is conjoined with Sun, then it gives Balaristam to male children in the family. That means there is a probability they may not get male children, and if they get male children, still they finish 12 years of age, one complete Jupiter cycle. There is a lot of health issues, frequently visiting doctors, or some kind of accident, or suddenly getting admitted 1 month in hospital, right? All those gandantrams will be there. Similarly, Venus plus Rahu also we have seen it is going to give some health issues to children's, and Balaristam also there. This may be more to female children's. And Jupiter simultaneously having Saturn and Ketu can also cause delay. Okay, and if people are having Jupiter plus Rahu, if they are asking we are having delayed childbirth, okay, another combination is present. Let us assume some Venus is heavily afflicted, and at the same time they are having Jupiter plus Rahu. If that time they are coming and asking us, can we go for a IVF? Okay, that time this combination is 100% successful, because Rahu is the Karaka for test tube baby. Okay, unconventional methods. Okay, this Rahu snake is the Karaka. Okay, and now let us take one horoscope. Venus, Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu, Moon, Mars, Ketu, Sun, and Mercury. Right. Now, for this Jupiter, in third house, there is Rahu, and in ninth house, this is Ketu. Okay, and in 11th house, Venus, and 12th house, Saturn. So Usually in our Nadi, whenever Rahu comes, Ketu will not come. Ketu comes, Rahu will not come. But if both is coming, then that is the disaster for childbirth. So you know the reason, right? Why I have taken the Rahu here, you all know the reason. Correct. But otherwise, if Rahu comes, Ketu will not come. This is how, see, this Jupiter is getting damaged and this Venus is also getting damaged here. Right. So, 3 marriage divorced with none of the spouse means out of 3, 2 marriage divorced and now he is living with the third wife. With the third wife also from past 6 years he never had any children's. No children's. Okay. And you can identify the reasons also why there were 3 divorces. Right. So that is not a big deal. Okay. Now, Ketu, when it is having combination with planets, we told it will give some problem. Okay. And Rahu also we told. So, generally, what we should see is whenever shadow planets, more so with Ketu plus Saturn, Rahu is also Karaka, but this is primary. They afflict a Karaka planet. Then they will cause delay or denial. And very, very important Nadi rule, okay, this may work in many cases, is when we always told Sun and Venus should not be near. That will cause combustion. And we already told Venus is the Karaka for sperm, bar, ovum. When this is near this Sun, what happens is the sperm gets burnt. So Venus considers this Sun to be enemy. Right, this is the Karaka we learned. But that is when Sun and Venus are within 3 degree, we say problem for childbirth. But again, the Sun and Venus will never go beyond 48 degrees. Correct? Means maximum from Sun it will be in 2 Rashis. If Sun is in Mesha Rashi, this Venus can maximum go 2 houses backside, 2 houses front. Right? But when this Venus and Sun distance is greater than 43 degrees, you see the charts, okay, whenever the distance between Sun and Venus is like 44, 45, 46 and all, then also there is a problem of childbirth. Okay, very important Nadi Sutra. Okay, not only within 3 degree, and if it is going more than 43 degree also, it is bad. So optimum is more than 3 degree and less than 43 degree. Understand? And even Venus having moon next to it immediately also, especially in the female charts, it has caused uterus problems, some menstrual problems, thereby affecting the childbirth. Okay. So let me take one more chart which I have. Okay, so if you see here, the degree of moon is 121. Okay, and Venus is 123 within 3 degrees. Right. So 17 years over after marriage, still today no childbirth. And even when there is Mars plus Ketu, okay, this delays childbirth, but we have seen after medical intervention they are able to get children's. Okay, and Venus plus Saturn, I think we already discussed. And this is seeing from the outside, from the Nadi Graha Karaka perspective. So the same thing you apply for the Saptarishi Nadi, and there are many more methods, right? We need to discuss the for confirmatory fifth lord, and we need to go to KB, right? Not Krishnamurti Paddhati, okay, Kshetra and Bijasputas, and those methods are there. Okay, so that will continue after a short break. Okay.